Hello my dear students, lecture number 10 for CBSE board, chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. In this lecture I am going to explain you some example from exercise 3.4, question number 1. A drinking glass in the shape of a frustum of cone of height 14 cm. The diameter of its two circular ends are 4 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Find the capacity of the glass. Okay. Now all these examples based on first term. So solution. Glass is in the shape of first term of a cone. H is equal to 14 centimeter given. D1 is equal to 4 centimeter, D2 is equal to 2 centimeter, and therefore R1 is equal to 2 centimeter and R2 is equal to 1 centimeter. R1 is greater than R2. So volume of glass is equal to pi upon 3 into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 close and bracket into H. Substitute values and therefore volume of glass is equal to pi upon 3 into bracket 4 plus 1 plus 2 into 14. Simplify this, you will get 22 upon 7 into 7 into 14 upon 3. So is equal to 308 upon 3 and is equal to 102.66 centimeter cube, and therefore capacity of glass is equal to 102.66 centimeter cube. Okay. Question number 2. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter and the perimeter of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeters given. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. Solution. A frustum of cone L is equal to 4 centimeter. P1, that is perimeter, is equal to 18. P1 is equal to 18 centimeter and P2 is equal to 6 centimeter. By means of perimeter, find radius. So P1 is equal to 2 pi R1 and therefore 18 is equal to 2 pi R1 and therefore R1 is equal to 9 upon pi cm. Similarly, P2 is equal to 2 pi R2, 6 is equal to 2 pi R2, R2 is equal to 3 upon pi cm. Now, curved surface area of frustum is equal to pi into bracket R1 plus R2 into L. So is equal to 22 upon 7 into 9 upon pi plus 3 upon pi into 4. If you simplify this, you will get pi into 12 upon pi into 4. Again this pi and pi get cancelled and 12 into 4, that is 48 cm square, and hence curved surface area is equal to 48 cm square. Okay. Question number 3. A fish, the cap used by the trucks, is shaped like the frustum of a cone. If its radius of the open side is 10 centimeter, radius of upper base is 4 centimeter and its slant height is equal to 15 centimeter, find the area of the material used for making it. Okay. Now try to draw figure by given information. So the cap is shaped like frustum of cone. R1 is equal to 10 centimeter and R2 is equal to 4 centimeter. The L means slant height is equal to 15 centimeter given. So area of material, that means curved surface area plus area of circular tops. Okay. Now here it is hollow. So is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R square pi R2 square. Okay. Now therefore 22 upon 7 into 10 plus 4 into 15 plus 22 upon 7 into 16. So is equal to 22 into 2 into 15. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14, which cancel with this 7. So 22 into 2 into 15 plus 352 upon 7 is equal to 660 plus 352 upon 7, and hence it is equal to, if you add this, you will get 4820 plus 352 upon 7 is equal to 5172 upon 7, and if you simplify this, you will get 7386 upon 7 cm square. Question number 4. A container open from the top and made up of a metal sheet is in the form of first term of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper ends as 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 50 per liter. Also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container. If cost is equal to rupees 8 per 100 cm cube by 3.14. So this example is slightly lengthy. It is complicated, so you try to understand. Answer of this question I will give you in next lecture. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.